Why Talkless they call me now?
Talkless they call you?
Yes.
Me the last speaker now.
Okay.
What you want talk?
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Hello, Alpha. Why you did like this? Anyway, why you did like this?
Don't you come my side. My guy, you carry your baby to go tell like this. I can't leave you well for us.
For us, carry your people tell like this. They come.
That's what I do for you.
With that small prick, when my guy get.
Hey! Listen, why you call like this?
You hear me?
Okay.
Hello? You don't hear me?
Now your guy they talk.
Been a guy go.
Just the play.
So with that phone, when no good, you see they talk about my small prick, Abi.
Hello guys, I want to tell you to the sub, it's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of what I do best, comedy reaction. So guys, make sure to stick to the very end because this one you're about to watch will be very short, you understand? So if you like it, make sure to subscribe, make sure to drop nice comment, and above all, share this video. It's very, very important, you feel me? So don't play, my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
I'm
French, you know they speak. I'm more like go Steve.
Boy. Any active me boy.
I know they hear what they talk. So translate if you understand what they are saying.
Go there, and when. No door, young call. Smart move, smart move.
God have mercy upon us.
Waiting. Pizza.
Oh yeah.
Jesus. Okay.
Jesus.
Okay. What to be that now?
Jesus.
Okay. What happened to the phone? What happened? Hey!
When I never go back up.
What happened to this?
You mumu eh? You mumu.
Wait! Betrayers! Instead of shouting Judas, now they shout Jesus! Thieves!
You mumu eh? This one mumu, I be like this man mumu. See breast.
Run away.
Hey! There they run for soldier.
The Oga, this guy na shop log.
You mean him?
Yes, na transaction they always dey successful.
I come and canopy.
I dey come and check whether that man dey in office.
I dey wait for you.
Ndu baby.
We are in business now.
What's going on here?
Now what for you, bro?
This guy, don't tell why I see him last. You know today they did their videos again.
Nah. I want to see what I'm even remember.
I just did there, they look you.
if you press one small, you give person woman. You press one small, you give person woman.
Baba, listen to me. Now maybe the one and only do baby, the son of a praying mother. I don't do AzaMan for like 10 years. So I do my 10 years anniversary today. So anybody follow me do transaction, I they give them one shima.
Wait, you mean say if I follow you do transaction now? Yeah,
Baba, listen, once transaction successful, shima go successful.
You mean that? I like this one where they front on the shake.
Okay, the man they wait for us now.
Oh, sorry, I come.
You walk out.
So, Oga, you remember that app we've been telling me about? Now we say I feel meets plumbers, I feel meet electricians and all that. This man just moved into our place recently and they look for plumber and electrician. I beg again, tell them about the app. I beg.
Oh, Okogram.
Yes.
Okogram is an online platform where you can connect with skilled artisans, professionals, and experts on different fields of endeavor, such as plumbers, water suppliers, house and landing agents, car mechanics, barbers, dispatch riders, food sellers, name it, that are closest to your location. And the app to use it is completely free. All you need to do is just to sign up and start using the app. And even as an artisan, you want people to reach out to you and patronize you more, you can sign up on the app. People will reach out to you and pay you directly if you want, without the consent of the app or a third party.
In mind, for where she made
to people nationwide. So come on, just download the app on Apple Store or Play Store, and you can do business with them. That's simple. Don't stress yourself about going up and down. Look.
In mind, for where she made where babe.
I don't come out transact. I come here, I come meet one man. He they tell us about app. We go fee use get workers. But I say first of all, we can come transact. You know now.
Baba, bring the deal, come active.
Hey, get money where my son wants send for me. $10. I want me transact.
$10. Bring and come. No dollar is too small.
Oh, yeah.
No dollar is too small.
So now short dollars are.
I don't send that.
You don't trouble.
Yes.
Baba, base me on error.
This millionaire. You will carry 30% now, so money don't finish with that.
Mazi. Yes. I don't run now.
Hey, nah, bumper.
Okay.
Which one be this one now? Where all the hot girls who been there here?
Baba, the hot girls don't finish, now the cold ones remain.
Okay, now. I'm not time here. I'm tagging bumper. What's happening now? Why the cold girl you been giving me for hand now?
Baba, I be like say the girl don't reverse.
Even the naira way you sent for me don't reverse. What is happening here?
Baba, you know the terms and conditions? If transaction reverse, now my luck. I know the resend.
Nah, stop that thing. Stop that thing. Tomorrow day,
Baba, listen to me. Tomorrow get belle, even calendar don't know what you go born. No the stress, baby.
Now, do you know that I'm old enough to be your daddy?
Baba, listen to me, If money no there your hazard, if you like make you get diabetes, you know if you be sugar daddy. I rest my case on God.
That is the rest on God.
And they come and check whether that man there in office,
I they wait for you.
Mazi, I think you reverse everything.
You shock? You the reverse transaction. They reverse the whole world.
Juju they walk
Juju they walk Voila.
Okay, Talkless. I'll see you in the evening. Okay, sir. Take care of the whole house.
Okay, sir. Sir, I got my phone, sir. You don't spoil, sir.
Take care of the whole house.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry. If I come back in the evening,
Yes, sir.
I will buy you a new phone.
Sir, you buy me phone?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. All right, sir.
Take care of the house.
Yes, sir. God bless you, sir.
Okay.
Vivian.
Hi, Talkless.
You there yet?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, yeah, now.
Oh, yeah, now.
God have mercy on us.
Look, my guy, babe, this your guy like that. Come, my guy.
No problem.
What do you and your boyfriend don't conclude?
Sir, as I did like this, I don't get any option.
I don't leave her like that.
What be this? She been at 1 million, you won't give me.
Yes, 1 million.
I know what I know.
Okay, no problem. No. When we reach hotel, I go transfer the money give you.
What will be?
Why Talkless they call me now?
Hey,
Hey.
call you.
This guy.
The last speaker now.
Hey.
What you want talk?
Let's have it. Let's have it.
Hello, Alpha. Where you did like this? Anyway, where you did like this?
Don't you come my side. My guy, you can't babe, you go tell like this. Can't leave your wife out.
First guy you people did like this, they come.
With that small prick, when my guy get.
Why you go like this?
You hear me?
Okay. Now you got the talk.
Been okay.
So with that phone, when no good, you still talk about my phone public, Abi.
I say that way when me buy, may not forget, sir.
I don't want me to for that house if I come down.
I'm sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. So, forgive me, sir.
And they never leave.
But look, no guy, no.
Okay, babe, give me my phone. Now give me my phone.
Go.
I'm more than 1 million self more.
For small preach.
You want to please others and disgrace yourself.
Hey, look at this.
Let's have it.
I've been at least on the go do.
Hey, what the?
Everybody lie down.
Jesus.
No, the fear go.
Who is this one?
Walk on rubbish a man house.
Hey! Ishan.
Raymond, I no vex.
My body feel the hot.
She held that.
Boss, never reach like this.
You never see anything.
Epa,
Domo.
shebi you talk say meat not there for that story again. Cut yan put.
Jesus.
No fear. Later we'll decide what you will use the rest part to.
I knew it. As you were sleeping and smiling, I knew that it was one woman that is making you smile. Now, you will go back to that room and tell her you have a girlfriend. Go back!
Oh, you know since when man you don't do.
Can you imagine?
Please set your phone to airplane mode.
Transfer matter, do Ghana man matter in discuss.
I bet forget that you wait talk to am do it. When men dey feel, when men be men, won't get feel, when boys dey play ball. You know now matter.
Yes.
Say wait.
When men be men, they play ball.
Hello, senior man going to 40 years.
Yeah, Alpha comrade.
And the SOS movement, SOS, say society. As it be like this, men don't match one. This is a movement. SOS, say society. Just give boys all and women do things.
Okay, so I come out.
Let's get it, man.
Hello, babe.
Oh, babe.
So you're sounding like this. What's wrong now?
I'm not fine. I'm just here thinking on how to raise 50K for my school stuff.
That's nothing now. I've always known you to be a good thinker. Just keep it up, you understand? You achieve your dreams.
Hey!
Lies call me far shop.
You don't use brain for the girl.
What's going on here?
Okoro.
Jesus.
Wait. I am perplexed, discombobulated, flabbergasted, and catapulted to a paroxysm of emotional tempest. What are you doing?
Udogo, that is not C. It's not what you're thinking. I can explain.
This is Mazi Agbo's wife now. You're indulging in romping, pumping, pata with her inside the bush? No, this is egregious and abysmal.
We are just trying to have a tete-a-tete.
Ouch! In the bush?
Yes.
No. You see, this thing I just envisage now. Once I leave here, I'm galvanizing and peregrinating straight to their edifice, and I'm telling her husband.
Udogo, don't do this. You're my friend from day one. We don't do this.
No, I'm a man of justice. I don't like any.
Must you report me? We were just having a tete-a-tete like I told you.
Oh, it's a tete-a-tete. Oh yeah, let me go and tell the husband the kind of tete-a-tete I saw.
No. Remove the other tete. We leave one tete.
No, I clearly saw you indulging in copulation, romping, pumping, and pata now. What are you doing here? But I told you to hide and wait for me there now.
When you told me to hide, I saw a snake there. That's
Udogo. Is it not the king's younger daughter?
People wait there now.
There was snake there now. That's why I came.
I am going straight to the palace.
No,
I must report you.
there's no need.
There's no need. But you are telling me palace about tete-a-tete.
Sorry.
No, there's no sorry here. Igwe's youngest daughter. The palace guard will show you pepper.
We went to the ground.
I'm telling you. You are rubbing with her. I am going straight to the palace to report you.
No, there's no need. Why?
Go and tete-a-tete at the palace.
You wanted to go and tell her.
Okay, okay. I've seen you, you've seen me. We did not see anything. You're doing, I'm doing. Esprit de corps.
In other words, it is 1-1 goalless draw.
1-1 goalless draw.
Your sins are forgiven. go home and sing twice more.
Your own is forgiving. Eh? Oh yeah, go. Let me go. Eh? Gaga to one gaga.
I got the advice from a madman.
You got it from
So as I talked before, if you enter that pitch, if you miss the ball, don't miss the. Don't miss the. So now, football is a game of no, football is a game of Obi. You understand? If they miss the ball, don't miss the leg.
Babe, I want to know my position in your heart. I want to know my position in your heart.
Your position in my heart?
Yes.
Now let's play the play now.
This guy is no good sense. Pluto.
Which one are you?
Never.
I beg you, just carry me which front then. You in the beat me.
Man, carry you this front. You remember when they date me few weeks ago when you come break up with me? They tell me say you don't want to do anything with me again. I be for me, so you won't come back to your vomit. Pay your vomit, carry this road. Hello, how far £J? You want to sell your gift card? Send to a gift card. They are fast liable to deal with. Now they be the best for Nigerian market. They don't even get app now. They do 400 and iPhone. Now they get the highest price for Nigerian market. Trade with a gift card. Sharp, now correct brand. Hey man, what is man do for you?
Just carry me which front. You in the beat me.
Oh yeah, now come.
You know open.
You think lock Abby?
Yes.
And so you think lock up with me when I get nothing.
Me too now. Let bag be bag gone now, eh?
No wahala now, you still back car.
Get money and stay aggressive. You have this jam with my Lamborghini.
What's on bike car? You have not. You know this, no way down there. Let's see about you.
Jesus! Go back here. Jesus, go back. Return what you took from that. With you? Return it back. How? I'm not leaving you. Don't touch me. Excuse me, sir. Can you just leave me? Excuse me, sir. Sir, come. What is wrong with you, this woman? Yes, sir. Sir, come. Excuse me, sir, come. This woman, leave me now. What is it now?
See where they carry your thing. You don't know say your thing now, come on.
Can you just stop? Can you stop? I'm not leaving you. Return what you took from him. Return it! This woman, you must return
all
it.
is well.
Yes, sir, all is well. Sir, this lady stole something very, very important from you. What kind of accusation
Stole
is
something
this?
from you?
Yes.
No, I don't think so. I have my stuff intact.
You see? You see? Sir, this lady stole something very, very important. Check yourself.
I have my khaki.
Tell her what he is still now. I can't even pre, Kabi.
My money is still complete.
Sir,
everything is complete.
Sir, she stole this thing. So much thing. Sir, the front side. See, hey! What is it?
Please, just. Hey,
what is wrong with you?
My thing. Please. Let me first. Just take it easy, please. This is my family, please. My everything. Wait, please. Don't drag her, please.
See here, sir. I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey, please now, please.
Don't touch me,
please.
What is it now? Put the thing inside this her bag. Why are you accusing me? You're embarrassing me for God's sake.
If I did anything wrong, please forgive me. Please. My thing, please. Please.
I'm not doing anything.
What is going on? My thing.
Which one is thing again? Is that how
Your
you
what?
behave here?
She stole my family.
This
my
lady
thing.
stole something from him.
Huh?
This lady, she stole something from him.
Hey! Why not talk the name now? Why not they feel shame?
Where is it?
Where's what?
Oh, you think I don't know people like you? Return that thing back to him now. Please now.
Okay, you're harassing me.
You're not going anywhere.
I don't like it.
You must return it. Yes.
But I never give a slap.
You send it to when you get it. Return it back to him now.
I have nothing to return. Okay, you are really embarrassing me. I don't like this no. I don't like this thing no.
Auntie, please now, please.
Okay, what is it?
Auntie, please. If you don't return it back to him now, we'll take you straight to the police
station.
Please. She will return it. Return it back. She will return it. Just let's take it easy, please. My family, please. I don't want. I beg now.
Okay, fine. Wait now, wait.
Oh yeah, return it.
Just leave me first, Sam.
Return it. Just leave her.
You go disappear, pa.
Please, just Easy with
I
it.
don't trust this woman. She can run away. Oh. Leave me first now. Calm down. I will return it. I said I will return it.
Yes. Sit. Is it back? Yes.
Is it there?
It's back. Yes. It's back. Yes. Move. Police station. Please.
No, yes. I've returned it, sir. Now, why? Why do you do this, sir? I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry, sir.
That's what I did it. Carry it.
Yo, guys. How you doing?
You brought your boyfriend to meet your mom's friend.
Hey, ma. Hi.
Are you whining yourself?
I didn't understand.
Or whining me?
Moment. Please, why did you accept his greeting? What kind of rubbish is that?
Baby, you said this was therapy.
Oh well, surprise.
You dey use your function to play.
This is mom, and
Yeah.
who's this old-looking
woman?
This was some old, I don't know. Babe, I don't know. I just thought it's come and take me away from here.
Things that you are doing.
Who is old? No, you as you see me, you know how much this place is. Who is old? Please, Mama Joy, one thing I accept, I don't accept this sort. From small boys, small children. Do you know how old I am? Who are you? Taoma.
Let's have it. Let's have it.
You!
Yes! It's not possible. Chuku, be careful.
Musa Bobby,
You must carry her, you must steal her.
Such a small snake.
Hey. Please stop it. You shouldn't be playing with this snake now. You know snakes can be very dangerous. You're a pretty girl. Stop it, please.
Hey, Oga, stop that rubbish. And I spoil this country. How gonna tell this guy say this snake they dangerous? I been at the snake supposed to tell say guys they dangerous. Stop it.
Ooh, okay, what's the meaning of that?
Women.
Can't couple Kenny, no.
Women are scorpions. They are vampires. They are blood-sucking animals.
God so loved the world.
My sister, I don't waste your time. May God bless you for the time we give. Are you a Christian?
Yes, I got a Christian.
You're Christian. Are you born again? Don't give your life to Christ completely.
Yes, I don't.
Just say Jesus Christ is proud of you.
Okay, waiting happen.
What do you talk?
I say waiting.
Is Christ proud of you with the lifestyle you are living?
Okay, best son too much.
I don't have to talk to you. Yes, I want to share the Bible verse with you. You don't baptize.
Okay.
Yes. Baptism is the gate key to Christianity, which is if you're not baptized, you can't make heaven.
I come to consent and never baptized.
It's my problem. Yes, it's my problem.
Even if I want baptized,
yes,
are you qualified to baptize me?
Yes, because Christ is coming like a thief in the night. You never know Christ will send come to tell you. Because since all the pastor where they tell you you baptized, you know they give your life to Christ. That's why I'm here to drag you to Christ. God won't use you.
And I plan to be.
Let me share the book of James chapter 4 verse 3 with you. The book of James 4:3. They say, oh nah, they pray and you know they get them right because you ask amiss. Adulteries and idolatries. Don't you know that friendship with the world is an enmity with God? Are you a friend of the world or a friend of God? I want to hear from you. Talk to me.
Okay, you don't craze.
What is it?
You don't craze.
Let's give it on Chris.
I said they teach for that church. They're not teaching manners for the church. And they talk to you, let me say adulteries.
Okay, leave me now by force.
Now
you know the song too.
Now first, the life you are living now, is Jesus Christ proud of you? I want to know, is Jesus Christ proud of you with the life you are living?
Jesus Christ say no proud of the life.
Your way of life is not pure. The way you are living your life is not pure.
How you tell me
the
the way of my life is not pure?
The way you are dressed.
SK, I don't understand you. The video not even finished myself. I don't understand you, SK. bless it that you go when you dey smoke. You don't really touch your head. You get. Anyways, thanks guys for watching to the very end. I really appreciate you guys. And I'd like you guys to drop nice comments. What do you think about the video? Drop it right in the comment section. Check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out and make sure you're subscribed. Sorry this one did not end. I didn't even know, because you know most of all these videos I watch, not most, all these videos I watch, I am actually watching them for the very first time. So I did not know that this one did not end. So maybe in my subsequent videos I'll look for the complete one and then I will include it. So check out my other videos, subscribe, drop nice comments, and share my videos. You feel me? So thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.